G'day guys, X-Ray Racer 1 here with part 8, I think we're up to now, 8 or 9. I'll put it down right here and it'll probably end up being title as well. This is next part of the Tamiya TT01 Racing Truck build series. In this video I will be finishing up the chassis build. I've done a couple of little things off camera while I am thinking about it, battery wise. Now I just had a quick look, quick test of some batteries. Now if you have your ordinary Tamiya style rounded stick pack, these will fit in no problem at all. However, if you have the brick style pack where you have the plug-in banana plug terminals, they will not fit in. The reason is I don't know if I can get it. What I'll do, hang on 1 second. There we go. Let there be light. Now you probably can't see it too well, but if you look, if I can get it in the light and I will zoom in, you can see these ribs here. Now those ribs are preventing your stick style battery pack from sitting flush down on the chassis. It kind of swings back and forth like that, so you're only able to use the rounded Tamiya style stick pack, which is a pain in the butt, but it's not really that much of a deal. So that's that. What we're going to do now is we're going to put in the upper deck. We're also going to install the receiver, and if you're racing, transponder and battery strap. That's pretty easy. So first of all, what we'll do is with the receiver is we will put the antenna through the hole here, and then we will mount it to there like so. Alrighty, so my camera's done another one of its trademark hissy fits. So as I was just doing, I was just putting the upper deck on. Haven't screwed it down yet, just making sure it sits nicely, just checking the spot of where the receiver goes, make sure it fits nicely. So now what I'll do is I will screw down the upper deck, and it will appear that I'll have to undo these screws as well. So sped up editing. Okay, so now what we're doing is we're putting in the threaded screws for the whole top of the steering rack. Now this part, because it's metal on metal, I strongly recommend a few drops of thread lock. And it helps if you have the right screws. Oh dear. All right. Alright, so that's that done. That's the upper deck done. So now what we're going to do is we just hook up our radio wires. Now if you don't know the sequence, like which channel to plug your receiver, the wires into the receiver, just remember this little formula. Channel 1 is to turn, channel 2 is to burn. So channel 1, and channel 2. And what we will do is, the next channel here is for our transponder, and I reckon we'll put the transponder right there. Okay, so that's our receiver, our transponder, and upper deck in. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put that over to the side to make sure it doesn't hit the fan, and we'll get our wheels and tires. And while I'm thinking about it, put our battery strap on. Hit my GoPro. Okay. Now, fortunately, the truck wheels, they're all the same width, so it doesn't matter what tire goes on what. Now, the other thing you need to remember is that there are no foam inserts with these tires, and they smell really bad. Ooh, crikey. Alright, I'm going to glue these off camera, but through the magic of editing, this will be sped up. Alright guys, so now that's that bit done, let's mount them. Alright guys, well, that is the chassis done, or chassis to my American friends. I get amazed at how many leftover screws there are. So anyway guys, so that's the end of the this video. So the chassis is built. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the body from start to finish. However, it's going to be sped up, so there's going to be no commentary, and I might put a little background music in it, and just so you can watch the process of the body being assembled and painted and so forth. So that's the end of this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. Stay tuned for the next video.